Alright, hello everyone, this is Raven here from tjtrue.com, and today we're going to talk about how to earn an extra $1,000 a month or more. The growth of internet has brought many income streams, giving people from all walks of life a chance to earn passive income from the comfort of their homes. This business model entails earning passive income by selling products online without maintaining any stock or inventories. One buys products that are shipped directly to the consumer by the supplier and earns a commission once the order is completely successful. However, for one to be successful in this, they have to be well informed on how to go about it. Below is a step-by-step blueprint on how to start a successful drop shipping business. The secret to finding a suitable niche is selecting a niche on a product you are interested in. In most cases, people get discouraged before they get started. Given the difficulties in successfully scaling such a business, you want to do product research, analyze the competition, keyword research, and more. Ensure that the product you want to sell has low shipping costs to avoid discouraging the customers. Also, make sure that the product you are selling is not readily available in the streets, and in this way, customers will be more attracted to your products. Finally, create your brand of the product you have chosen to sell. So, who's the competition? In this business, there is a lot of competition from other drop shipping operations and the retail giants. Most drop shippers make mistakes in this aspect because they go for products with less competition when this means that they are not in demand. Look for products that are facing high competition because this serves as a sign for the high demand for these products. But make sure that market isn't too saturated. You don't want to get lost in the sea of competitors. You also need to watch for brand domination. You don't want to be in a market where there are lots of name brands to compete against. Now, you want to pick the right supplier. This step is not supposed to be rushed because it would be wrong to partner with the wrong supplier. Most of the suppliers are not found locally but are on overseas, and this makes the aspect of communication vital in terms of the speed of response and ability to understand each other. If the one you find is not able to meet the communication needs, continue with the search until you find the right supplier. Now, we're going to go ahead and talk about the setup and how to track the data and some things to watch for. So, how can you set this up? The simplest way to achieve this setup is by using e-commerce platforms. Such platforms do not want one to have a tech background to start running the site, since they mainly inbuilt features to help you set up a website successfully. Have a plan on how to capture the attention of prospect customers. Business is no business if you have no customers looking to buy your product. A great product and a perfect website should be accompanied by the availability of potential customers. Employ the possible ways in which you can attract customers, but the most effective way is by opening a Facebook ad campaign, as it will generate as many sales and revenues as possible right for the beginning of the business. Through Facebook, you can be able to place your offers directly in front of the target audiences, giving you the ability to compete with large retailers and brands at once. Another way to attract many customers is by employing the use of email and engine optimizing as a market strategy. First, set up an automatic email sequence that offers customers discounts and special offers. From there, start collecting emails, since it is the easiest way to increase the existing customer base and earn more income without incurring additional advertising and marketing costs. Now, let's go ahead and get into how to track the data, keeping track of all the data and the metrics available for the business to grow. If Facebook is your customer acquisition channel, make sure to track all the conversation to know the origin of the customer and what path they took on the website that results in sale. Tracking of data will allow you to scale what works for your business and what doesn't in this way. It will be easy to eliminate things that don't work. Regarding advertising and campaigning, setting advertising and marketing solutions will help in generating knowledge to optimize or decide to give cost use in campaigning. So you want to watch for elements to success are the main factors for the continued success in the business, and therefore must be considered after the business has been set up. The key elements that can lead to the success include: don't be like the other guys, drive the traffic in, specialize, and it's always a desert before it becomes a flood. So let's go ahead and get into that, because I know you're probably thinking like, what do you mean it's always a desert before it comes a flood? The same way you build some other thing of value, you should also build your drop shipping business. And it takes a certain level of commitment and investment. Some people assume drop shipping is a fast means to prosperity and end up being frustrated when reality hits them that they have to work hard. Usually the first few months are tricky, as you will have to struggle with doubts. Run into many issues with the website where you may end up with zero sales despite having a great website. All these are normal for dropshipping business. However, it is essential to mentally prepare for the start that is challenging and lessen the expectations to make a lot of passive income overnight. So, we're going to go ahead and get the customer is still always right. Remember how when you were younger and you worked in retail, your manager always told you the customer is always right. So, the fact that the internet is involved in this business should make it fairly transparent. But the rise in social media use presently has made the reputation of dropshipping business more critical to your success. Mistreating customers is a bad idea for the business, especially in this digital era. The entire world will know in no time, including the potential customers. The truth about dropshipping business is that you will always lose money or specific orders purposely to make customers happy, and you are not expected to pass this to your customers at any point. This is the only other way quality and service is measured. The secret lies in providing quality products to the present customer, since when the customers are satisfied, they will probably spread the word and refer other people to your business. So, don't give up. Dropshipping business has helped many people, black people included, gain prosperity. However, one has to know all that is business entails for them to be successful. The above guide outlines everything one needs to know about starting a successful dropshipping business. Dropshipping business is a great generational wealth venture that will earn you passive income for the years to come once you build a strong foundation for it. This is Raven from tjtrue.com. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.